welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how electric cars are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Move the aluminum coils to bay 4.
Confirmed. Sending the AGV now.
The mixture is carefully balanced, optimizing both material quality and the energy density required for peak performance.
We're showing an overcurrent on the primary gauge here. Dialing back the input, levels are nominal.
Every batch of battery modules is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is thoroughly checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how electric cars are made, Khalid. Progress, progress, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.